What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. I have a Galaxy S10 Plus here, and as you know, it does have a headphone jack, so you don't really need to use USB-C headphones, but I wanted to do a little test and put some USB-C headphones and plug these in. So the USB-C headphones that I have are going to be the Pixel Buds that come with the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL, because that does not have a headphone jack. And if you know or don't know, the Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will not have a headphone jack, which will be one of actually will be the first Samsung flagship phone that does not have a headphone jack. So just something to think about. And let's just jump right into it. First of all, so I have my headphones right here, USB-C. I'm gonna plug them in to the bottom of the Galaxy S10 Plus. And right when I do, it tells me low battery. It's saying something about charging with them, which obviously I'm not going to be able to charge the headphones. They're not going to be able to charge my phone. This is automatically saying open voice recorder to handle Pixel USB-C earbuds. And then I can always open voice recorder when Pixel USB-C earbuds are connected. That's kind of a pain in the butt. Obviously I don't want that to happen, so I'm just gonna hit cancel. So after that, let's play something and see if it plays. So I'm gonna open up my podcasts and I'm going to play, let's see here. I'll play Reply All. Let's play one I listened to already. Wind it back. And you can probably hear that very faintly, but it does work. Works perfectly fine. I've listened to it before and they sound just as good or bad as any other headphones do plugged into the regular headphone jack. So if you want to use USB-C headphones, it definitely works. I even tried going into the Samsung voice recorder, and that obviously works too. It says external mic will be used to record. It's using the microphone built into these headphones. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna stop that, I'm gonna save it, and then I'll just unplug the headphones and play it back for you so you can see. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. So the good thing is USB-C headphones, if you're totally into them, they do work with already the Galaxy S10 line of phones, because even though it already has a headphone jack, it also has USB-C, so you can definitely plug these headphones in to these phones as well. And obviously this is the future of Galaxy phones as well, unfortunately. I really do like the headphone jack. It just makes things easier, and it doesn't take up the charging port on the phone like a USB-C does. And obviously you can wirelessly charge, but wireless charging isn't completely without its faults, because you have to lay it flat and you have to take your phone away from where you are most likely, or again just have to lay it flat and you can't angle it really. So kind of a pain in the butt, but still kind of cool that USB-C headphones, if you get a pair, will work on your older devices as well with USB-C. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if you're excited about USB-C headphones or not. I'm curious to see what the consensus is. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace!